In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check in Adobe Acrobat DC. If you leave feedback in PDFs, fill out forms, or collaborate with teammates, running a quick spell check can save time and prevent embarrassing typos. Acrobat DC includes a built-in tool designed specifically for checking spelling in comments and form fields, so this is perfect when you're reviewing notes, annotations, or entries added to a PDF. Start by opening the PDF you want to check in Adobe Acrobat DC. This works in both the Pro and Reader versions, so use whichever you have installed. Before you begin, it's a good idea to save your document, especially if you're working on shared files or forms. That way, you can keep a clean copy and easily compare changes later. On Windows, open the menu and navigate to Undo, Redo, and More. Then choose Check Spelling and select Check Spelling in Comments and Fields. This opens the Spell Check dialog box. Click Start to begin scanning. Acrobat will move through the document and display potential misspellings one by one, highlighting where they appear in your comments or form fields. As each suggestion appears, you'll choose how to handle it. If the highlighted word is correct for this instance, like a product code or a name, choose Ignore to skip it once. If the word is wrong in just this one place, choose Change to replace only the selected instance with the recommended correction. When you see a common typo that repeats throughout your comments or fields, and you're confident the same correction applies everywhere, choose Change All to replace every occurrence automatically. Use this carefully, especially with short words or abbreviations that might be used in different contexts. If the highlighted word appears multiple times, but is actually correct, choose Ignore All to skip every occurrence in one go. This is handy for proper names, brand terms, or specialized jargon that Acrobat doesn't recognize. When you encounter a legitimate word that you expect to use frequently and don't want flagged in the future, choose Add to store it in your custom dictionary. Add is best for consistent, intentional terms. Once added, Acrobat won't flag that word again. Continue reviewing each suggestion until Acrobat finishes scanning. If the tool doesn't surface anything, it may be that there are no comments or form entries to check, since this feature focuses on comments and fields rather than the static body text of the PDF. That's all there is to it. With these options, you can quickly clean up typos and keep your annotations and form entries polished and professional.